Alrighty, we're now on California 156 that comes off of Interstate 5 and it cuts over to 101, which is the Ocean Road. That long thing you see there, that's a dam. Okay, and the other side is San Luis Reservoir. You're going to see how Morocco and pretty it is. The road goes up over there. We get them books off the dash so you don't have that reflection. Okay, you're coming down now. That's the water that runs off from the dam. That's the dam right there. It's a very, very, very large place. And we're going all the way around it. You're going to see very pretty pictures of some lakes. That's the dam part right there. That's the water run. There it is. Now we're going up the road past the dam. There's the dam and all that over there. Recreation area and everything here. Very nice. And as you can see the dam up there.